Hi guys, welcome back to FBM Fox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create a template so you can eventually use it for the bulk uploader. This applies to being able to bulk upload hundreds of products, if not thousands, to TikTok shops so you can rapidly scale your store and make more sales. So the way to do this is to go over into the template section and simply click this plus icon. The template name should be TikTok shops or anything that you'd like to name it. You know, TikTok shops default maybe if you have more than one template. Basically what a template is a programmatical sheet that applies these values to your products, right? So if you apply this template to a product, it'll set these default conditions such as the quantity, it'll set it to 10, the condition to new, currency to the US dollar, perhaps a margin of 100%, so you double your money if you make a sale. A header, perhaps it would say, thanks for visiting my TikTok store and have a nice evening, perhaps, would be the footer. So this would go above and below your descriptions. Next, we'd have the sales channels that this template would enable once it's applied to products. So we're just going to click on TikTok shops and enable that. Next, we have the categories. So we could just set that as an auto detect. And the next thing would be warehouse. So like, how are you shipping? What is your shipping policy? So my default shipping policy, which is related to the shipping policy that you set up in your account settings, I believe that is under the shipping templates. My warehouse name is US Pickup Warehouse. So that's reflective of the template. It's a US Pickup Warehouse. And here, this is the template that I'm using for my shipping option in TikTok. So you want to make sure that is accurate. Next, you just want to make sure all the pricing settings are accurate and then just click Save Changes. So currently, there's 0 products that use this template, right? And that's totally fine. So let's just jump right into how to bulk upload. So you want to make sure you have the Chrome extension and you want to make sure that you're logged in to the Chrome extension. So right now, I have the Chrome extension here and I'm also logged into the Chrome extension. So what I want to do next is I want to go ahead and go to any supplier website, such as Walmart.com. So we've been using Amazon for a while, but we're gonna go to Walmart.com. This is where this thing kind of gets like almost like cheating, because you can just go to any page, like a Walmart page, and upload all of the products. Let's say Halloween it's October 13th right now. So at the time of recording this video, Halloween is about to be a big deal in the next 2 weeks. So let's say we want to upload all of the Halloween products that we have. So let's say like Halloween accessories, right? And we can sort them by best sellers. These are a lot of Halloween accessories, and we can just click on upload 60 products. So there's probably like 60 products on this page. We can just upload all of them to our account. It's going to go ahead and upload the products in a queue, and you'll find that in the bulk uploader section right here. So once it's done kind of loading, going in a circle, it'll show up right here. Okay, so the circle thing is gone. If we refresh the bulk uploader area, you should see that there's 60 products right here that are waiting to be uploaded. Next, you want to go ahead and select your default TikTok Shops template and just click Begin Upload. And what this will do is begin the process of uploading these 60 products from Walmart and push them all over to TikTok in a few minutes. So we're just going to sit back and kind of watch the show and watch the products upload. So now you can see there's 4 that went through, there's 9, 11. We're just going to watch this go through. And again, all of these products are going to be repriced, monitored. All of the categories are being selected. All of the quantities and the margins, just like how the templates you set up have, they're all being applied to these products. If you remember, we had 302 products previously. So we had 302 products on our TikTok shop. Now 46 went through. We can retry the failed products and it'll retry them. So it gets as close to 100% accuracy as it can be when you retry these products. But sometimes not all of the products go through. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and see how many products did go through. So we had 302 right here. If we refresh this page, we have 348. So it seems like 46 products went through. Now you can find these products on TikTok as long as you click on this sales channel TikTok thing. And you can see that here are these witch shoes. If we go into our TikTok Seller Center and you go into products, we have 380 products. So it seems that I think a few more products went through here. They all have a quantity of 10 and they're all active. So you guys saw how long that took. That honestly did not take very long. We can go ahead and keep uploading products like this, which makes it an incredible hack to scale. When you can do this from eBay, you can do this from Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, go through several pages and be able to upload and rapidly scale your TikTok shop. Now, TikTok shops for beginners has a limit of listing 100 products a day, which is still a large limit, right? So imagine listing with a Chrome extension that would take you like 10 minutes to list a product, or even manually through this thing. You know, this would take forever, right? So very simple. Go to a page where you see products that you like. Just simply hit this upload icon and it'll show up in your bulk uploader. Hit bulk upload and your products will go directly to TikTok shops in a heartbeat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video goes over how to create templates so you can bulk upload hundreds and hundreds or thousands of products to your TikTok shop in a heartbeat. In the next video, we'll go over how to manage orders, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.